In today's video we're putting the Moondrop Blessing 3 against the UE350, two in-ear monitors that take completely different roads to audio excellence. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these in-ear monitors, make sure to check the link in the description below. The Blessing 3 kicks off with its hybrid 2DD plus 4BA driver setup, while the UE350 relies purely on triple Knowles balanced armature drivers. So where the Blessing uses dual dynamic drivers for natural bass warmth, the UE350 throws dual low-mid drivers and a dedicated high-frequency driver at the mix for maximum headroom. You will feel the Blessing 3's horizontally opposed dynamic driver module delivering that punchy, organic low end that music lovers crave, yet the UE350 counters with a two-way crossover that gives audio engineers exceptional clarity across every frequency without any muddiness. The Blessing 3 wins on visual build with its eye-catching stainless steel faceplate and 3D printed acoustic filtering nozzle, which reduces unwanted resonance brilliantly. But the UE350 focuses purely on stage functionality with its perform-fit design that stays secure during long sessions and the tactile red dot marking for instant right-ear identification in dark venues. Where the Blessing 3 offers an interchangeable 0.78-2-pin cable for rich playability and customization, the UE350 delivers a consistent, reliable seal that professionals trust night after night, and honestly, the Blessing 3 sounds more musical and engaging for casual listening while the UE350 feels more like a surgical tool for critical monitoring. The Blessing 3's triple frequency division creates a smoother transition between lows, mids, and highs, yet the UE350's dual low-mid driver design pulls out micro details in live recordings that the Blessing might soften slightly. Both isolate ambient noise well, but the UE350 has been trusted by over 100,000 stage legends since the mid-90s, giving it a pedigree that the Moondrop simply cannot claim, although the Blessing 3 offers that modern hybrid magic at a friendlier entry point. If you prioritize natural tonality and a fun, immersive listen with gorgeous aesthetics, lean toward the Moondrop Blessing 3.